Right now, your body's amazing internal security team might be getting confused, overreacting to harmless dust, or missing real threats entirely because of habits you think are protecting you. Your immune system thrives in a delicate balance, and inadvertently disrupting it can leave you vulnerable to inflammation, allergies, and illness. We live in a world obsessed with cleanliness, constantly sanitizing and scrubbing. But what if our quest for a sterile environment is actually weakening our immune systems instead of strengthening them? Today, we're going to explore the art of balanced immunity. We'll uncover how your body's defenses truly work, why being too clean can sometimes backfire, and the simple, everyday habits that empower your immune system to stay smart, resilient, and ready for anything. Think of your immune system as your body's personal security team. When it's in a perfectly balanced state, this team is incredibly vigilant, ready to swiftly identify and eliminate genuine threats like a nasty flu virus or a bacterial infection. But crucially, it also knows how to stay calm and relaxed when faced with harmless everyday dust, pollen, or the friendly microbes that are vital for your health. It's protective, not hostile, and truly effective because it's not constantly on high alert. An immune system that's always on can start overreacting to harmless things, leading to frustrating issues like allergies, sensitivities, or even chronic inflammation. Inflammation is a natural, healthy response when you're injured or sick, but when it becomes uncontrolled and persistent, it contributes to a host of health challenges. Our goal isn't to eliminate all germs, but to help our immune system respond appropriately, efficiently, and effectively. A significant portion of your immune system, in fact, about 70–80% of it, makes its home in your gut. This is where your microbiome comes in, a bustling community of trillions of microorganisms. These tiny residents are more than just digestive helpers. They're essential trainers for your immune cells, teaching them what to fight and what to ignore. A diverse and healthy gut microbiome strengthens your defenses and promotes that crucial balanced response we talked about. Beyond your inner world, your daily habits are monumental. They're like providing your security team with the best resources and training possible. Simple acts like getting enough restful sleep, eating nourishing foods, engaging in regular, moderate exercise, and staying up to date with recommended vaccinations are not just good for general health, they are fundamental pillars of strong immunity. Many of us were raised with the idea that a spotless, germ-free home is the ultimate shield against illness. We were taught to scrub everything, sanitize every surface, and douse our hands in antibacterial products. While good hygiene, especially proper hand washing, is absolutely vital, an extreme focus on over-sterilization can sometimes inadvertently weaken your immune system. Here's why. Constantly using harsh chemical sanitizers and antibacterial soaps can wipe out not just the bad bacteria, but also the beneficial microbes living on your skin and within your body. This disruption throws your delicate microbiome out of balance, potentially contributing to immune imbalances and increasing your risk for certain allergies. Moreover, an overly sterile environment can limit crucial training opportunities for your immune system, especially in childhood. Exposure to a variety of harmless environmental microbes helps your immune system learn to differentiate between genuine threats and innocent bystanders, making it stronger and more adaptable. Finding that sweet spot between healthy hygiene and embracing your microbial world is simpler than you might think. It's about making conscious choices that support your immune system's natural intelligence. Focus on targeted hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly with plain soap and water in key moments, reserving strong antibacterials for truly necessary situations. Diversify your diet with fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi to nourish your gut microbiome. Spend time in nature, gardening, hiking, or just enjoying a park, to expose yourself to a wider range of beneficial environmental microbes. Prioritize restful sleep and actively manage stress, as chronic stress can suppress your immune function. And consult your healthcare provider about staying current on recommended vaccinations. By embracing these thoughtful choices, you empower your body to thrive in harmony with the world around you. If you found these insights helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more health wisdom, and share your own experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you want the probiotic supplements I recommend, the link is in the description. Remember, building a resilient immune system isn't about perfection. It's about nurturing your body's innate wisdom. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new health routine.